Hey, how are you doing? This is Greg Van Kirk, and I'd like to take a few minutes here to walk you through this four P's blueprint. This is for conversations focused on defining the product, price, place, and promotion strategies. This is otherwise known as the marketing mix, sort of the overall granddaddy of tools for marketing. This is one of the innovation design tools and currently resides in Toolkit 6, Design Blueprints. So I'm going to go through about this tool. As you can see here down below, you see how to use this tool, guidance on using the tool, and a link to the video. Here's the tool itself in Google Sheets, which I'll walk you through. You can see really straightforward tool, and then some engagement role guidance if you're hands-on consulting or innovating, how to use this tool, some guidance on how to put it into practice. So about this tool, your marketing mix, the four Ps. Is your product or service, price, place, and promotion. These are known as the four Ps of marketing. They're the core components of your marketing strategy. They should fit together like pieces of a puzzle, right? They should all fit together well. This four Ps blueprint tool should help you and your team zoom in, on each of these Ps and zoom out to assess how well they're aligned. This tool is both one of the simplest to use and one of the most important to include in your team's toolbox. Following is a summary description of the four Ps. So product service, this is what you're offering, right? This is your solution, your innovation, what have you. This is your change-making innovation. It may include products, services, and or people for people strategies. Here you'll want to describe things such as features, benefits, packaging, services, guarantees, styles, etc. Right? Describe everything that you can. Promotion. This is the messaging and communication used to make the product known and to persuade people to want to acquire it and use it. Examples are community campaigns, advertising, public relations, direct selling, and sales promotions. Place, if you look at the top, this can be either a physical location or locations or a distribution channels, right? Or this could be online, somewhere online, or it could be an app, right? Price. This is the cost to acquire your product. Every product has a cost. Here, you should describe not only the monetary amount, but any other less explicit cost that someone is required to quote unquote pay for acquiring the product. You should also describe the terms. For example, will people have to pay 100% upfront, or can they pay over time? Okay, so those are your four Ps, your product, promotion, place, and price. And so then we have the tool itself. You'll see how to use this tool on the previous page, your guidance, but super simple here. What's the overall goal? So what's the goal that you're trying to accomplish? And then you just want to note down, you could do it in order or just pretend it's a whiteboard and put up there what you can. What the product is, so describe the product in the greatest detail as possible. The promotion, it's the promotion of that product. The place where it will be offered, how it will be offered, and the price, how much people will pay for it, right? So what's the value? Price is value, right? What the value proposition is. And so get all of those down, and then you want to zoom in, obviously be very specific if you can, and then you want to zoom out and say, do these fit together, right? Does my price fit with my product? Does my promotion fit with my place, et cetera, to make sure that this is as elegant as possible. And then in terms of engagement role guidance, so how you might use this when you're out there with organizations or communities. So if you're hands-on, you might want to create a four Ps blueprint for the solution that the organization you're volunteering, working, or interning with is offering to community members. Consulting. Use this to help the organization team and or project team that you're consulting for build a four Ps blueprint for a new or modified solution, strategy, or program. As with all of these tools, this can be one of your final deliverables. And innovating goes without saying, build a four Ps blueprint, for your innovation. All right, this is a really important thing that captures all of these critical pieces. Needless to say, a lot of other decisions are going to go into are going to be made before you come up with your exact four Ps. As always, this is an iterative tool. So to the extent they're using this with your work, you're going to iterate, things are going to change as you learn, especially if you are innovating. So hope you found this helpful. As always, don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or comments or need a little bit of support, or if you'd like to collaborate. That's what we're here for, and I want to model collaborative change making in this work as always. Apart from that, thank you and have a wonderful day.